Ladies and gentlemen, Kathy Mattea.
The first time I heard this song, it instantly became my favorite Christmas song of all time. And to me, this song is exactly what Christmas is all about. Mary, did you know that your baby boy will one day walk on water? Mary, did you know that your baby boy will save our sons and daughters? Did you know that your baby boy has come to make you this child that you deliver will soon deliver you? Mary, did you know your baby boy gives sight to a blind man? Mary, did you know your baby boy will calm a storm with his hand? Did you know that your baby boy has walked where angels trod? When you've kissed your little baby, then you've kissed the face of God. Mary, did you know Mary, did you know the blind will see, the deaf will hear, the dead will live again, the lame will leap, the dumb will speak, the praises of the Lamb? Mary, did you know your baby boy is Lord of all creation? Mary, did you know that your baby will one day rule the nations? Did you know that your baby boy is heaven's perfect lamb? The sleeping child you're holding is the great